So in 6 days, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be revealed. And in all honesty, this thing is going to cost probably close to $2,000. Probably right around $1,800, $1,900. So right now, Samsung might be shaking in the boots. Because Amazon has the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the best foldable phone on the planet at this moment in time. That might change when the 10 Pro Fold comes out. But this is, in my opinion, the best foldable cell phone. I don't care about the Z Fold 7. This is the best foldable cell phone. This is actually going to be coming in at around $1,200. Which, in all honesty, if you're thinking about picking up a foldable cell phone, this would not be a bad idea to pick up. Obviously, this is not the first iteration of Google's Pixel Fold series. That was the Pixel Fold 1. Really, there's no reason why this cell phone wouldn't be perfect for pretty much everybody. And at $1,200, that's almost impossible not to automatically go for if you're thinking about picking up a foldable cell phone. Now, you can also trade in a device, it says right here. So there's also a trade-in program. So if I start the trade-in, and let's say, for example, I do have a Z Fold. Actually, I just clicked on. Okay, let me try this again. Let me say I do have a Z Fold device. So I have a Fold. Okay, so you can only trade in. That's it. You can only trade in a Z Fold 2 and a Z Fold 3. You can't trade in anything above that. That's kind of stupid. I'll be honest with you, that's kind of stupid. How about a Galaxy S series? So if I trade in the S24 Ultra, I would receive back $425 of that trade-in value. It's not the worst, because obviously this is the S24, which is a year old now. It's not the greatest, and Samsung, you're going to get better if you trade it to actual Samsung, but this is obviously Amazon, so it's not Samsung. What do you get for Apple devices? If you have a 16 Pro Max, you get $725 back. $700, $500, $450. I mean, do they go all the way down? Wow. They go all the way down to the 13, whatever. Okay, I mean, they go all the way down to an iPhone 8. I mean, if you really wanted to go crazy and say, I want to trade in an iPhone 8, you could. You're not going to get much back, but you could technically trade that in. I've never gone through this whole process with, with Amazon. I've never done a trade-in thing, so I'm not sure how that whole system is, good or bad, but I'm just saying, for this price tag, for this good of a foldable cell phone, I know the 10 Pro Fold is about to come out, and that's going to be all the hotness, but really the 10 Pro Fold is not that much of an upgrade, especially from an exterior point of view. It's exactly the same. The real big upgrade is going to be the Tensor G5 chip. That's going to be the biggest upgrade inside. So, if you want to, maybe get yourself a little bit of a deal. Frequently returned item. Yeah, that happens. But if you want to get yourself a little bit of a deal, I don't think it would be a bad idea. Tensor G4 chip is still very powerful. 16 gigabytes of RAM. Bigger battery than, the Z Fold 7. IP68 rating, so dust resistance and waterproofness. Great camera setup. 4K with video boost. It's not a bad device. In my opinion, again, it is the best at this moment in time.